obviously one I've yet to talk about on this channel, but a one that I think has some very significant potential here, and that is Hedera HBAR. The ticker is HBAR, and the current price is 9 cents at the time of this video. You can see here the price is down around, or I guess essentially the same price as it's been over the last 24 hours. Trading volume, however, is sitting at 102, almost 103 million over the last 24 hours. That is up 23%. If we take a look at the last 7 days here for Hedera, it has seen very significant positive price action over the last month as well. Has been very much so in the green. We saw I guess, last 30-day high not too long ago, about a week ago here, about 4 days ago, at 9 cents at the time of this video, sitting at 8 cents. Last 3 months have been very good here for Hedera. Was down here trading at 3 cents and has climbed all the way up to 9 cents in the last couple of months. So definitely a very interesting project here. $2 billion market cap here for Hedera. 26 billion total supply, I believe, or circulating supply. Again, at the end of the video, let me know how you guys feel about this project. Just want to share it with you guys, bring some attention to it, as I do think it has the potential, and that is all I want to do here on this channel, is really bring projects to everyone that I think has potential. But let's get into it. Hedera, the open source ledger for public ledger, for builders, powering native Web3 ecosystems and institutional applications for the next generation of web. Okay, so what this project is, or what Hedera HBAR is, it is an entire ecosystem that I think is just kind of tapping the surface of what it can be for the future, right? We know Web3 is the future. If you're watching this video, right, you obviously are familiar with crypto, and you obviously understand the power of crypto, and the power of Web3 and what it can mean potentially for society moving forward. So I don't need to go too deep into that, but Hedera Governing Council is a fully decentralized and transparent governing body of independent global organizations and consists of enterprises, Web3 projects, and prestigious universities. Right here is the governing council, and you can see Boeing, Dell, Avery Dennison, Google, LG, T-Mobile here, UCL, which brings me to what I want to talk about specifically, not specifically, but a part of this video is that Dell has recently joined the Hedera Governing Council to explore developing decentralized applications. The council that runs Hedera Public Ledger has now up to 39 members, each of which run a node on the network. So Dell has become a member of Hedera, the Governing Council, to help develop decentralized apps to help its customers with their Web3 and blockchain-related ventures. Hedera's HBAR spiked higher on the news, and it retraced a bit since, but it remains nearly up 6% on the day at the time of this article coming out, which was back a week ago from today. Specifically, Dell will explore developing applications on the Hedera network for decentralized environments such as edge computing paradigm, in which data is processed using networks and devices near to where it's generated, enabling it to be processed at greater speeds and volumes. All right, a spokesperson for Hedera said, with secure provisioned, customers can build cost-effective and efficient applications across IT environments, including edge, that provide scalable data, persistence, protection, control, and process automation. Right, and we talked about some prominent members on that governing council: Google, IBM, Boeing, etc. Right, so Hedera's full and control aim, or complete aim, is to provide a public distributed network with security and stability, to attract big businesses to build on it. And they now already have some very significant big businesses looking to build on Hedera currently. Okay, so the code base and ecosystem standards are open source and contributed by the community through Hedera improvement proposals, known as HIPs, in the Hedera community. The community consists of Hedera application and ecosystem developers, node operators, and peripheral organizations. Okay, here are some of those here. So what is Hedera? Now you need to take this in. We talked about it in previous videos. An Ethereum virtual machine, otherwise known as an EVM smart contract. But let's talk about this. So Hedera is a decentralized, open source, proof of stake public ledger that utilizes the leaderless, asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance, otherwise known as ABFT, which, again, I didn't know what ABFT meant until after kind of going over this project, which is a hashgraph consensus algorithm. It is governed by a collusion-resistant, decentralized council of leading enterprises, universities, and Web3 projects from around the world. Hedera's performance-optimized Ethereum virtual machine, otherwise known as the EVM smart contract, along with its easy-to-use native tokenization and consensus service APIs, enable developers to create a real-time Web3 applications and ecosystems that will drive the future of the internet. Hedera is built differently from other blockchains. It has a high throughput, the fast finality, low predictable fees, fair transaction ordering with consensus timestamps, and a robust codebase that ensures the scalability and reliability at every layer of its network infrastructure. It is governed responsibly by the world's leading organizations to ensure the network is collusion resistant. Right? The ecosystem that they are building this on DeFi, NFTs, decentralized identity, payments, sustainability, decentralized logs. Hedera is moving in a very, very positive direction that at the current price, in my opinion, of Hedera right now at 8 cents is a bargain, right? This is a project that has a $2 billion market cap sitting at 8 cents, sitting at a trading volume of consistently $100+ million each day. To take a look at this, Hedera, this is on Finbold. Shout out Finbold, by the way, a great resource for all news, in my opinion, on crypto. Hedera rallies 25% in a week as crypto market turns red. What's next for HBAR? So HBAR, like I said, scalable smart contract asset, trading at 9 cents press time, daily gains over 5%. It actually also leads the crypto market in weekly gains over 25%. If we take a look at coin market cap here, Hedera, like I said, trading volume one year for Hedera, we can see this slowly but surely starting to climb up. I mean, Hedera at one point was at 25 cents. Like I said, currently sitting at 9 cents. All right, so the rally was powered by sustainable capital inflow, with the token market cap setting at 2.25 billion on February 14th. Now sitting 2.3. So I guess the market cap slightly down. Over the last 7 days, about 460 million has inflowed into the asset's market cap. Right, some drivers here are obviously Bitcoin and the entire crypto market having a little bit of a bull run. The Dell technology at joining the governing council, which I think is absolutely crucial. And then you can see here, additionally, a new metaverse fund has been established on the Hedera hashgraph, specifically targeting Africa's creative industry with a valuation of 1 million. These developments suggest that Hedera's hashgraph continues to mature and expand, positioning itself as a significant player in the ever-evolving cryptocurrency market. So HBAR moving forward, right? We see some technical analysis on TradingView is dominated by bullishness, according to this author here on this article. Summary recommending a buy at 14, while moving averages is strong buy at 13. Although HBAR appears to have broken away from the general market, it is worth noting that the asset is still susceptible to overall market sentiments. Now, HBAR, there is probably quite a bit of people, I think, that have yet to even hear about HBAR on this project, as for the size of the market cap, I don't think it's currently like a mainstream token. Like if we take a look at the coin market cap spotlight, for example, here, we just take a look at like most visited cryptos, we won't see HBAR Hedera really in the top 10, or even in the, we see it here sitting at 27 ranked in the most viewed crypto. So I mean, it's not really in that prominent like mainstream crypto space. But I think based on trading volume, there are a lot of investors here that really do believe in this project. With this significant trading volume, we can see here over the last 30 days, 65% in gains for Hedera HBAR. I'm bullish on this project. I think it's a super fascinating and super utility-based project here that is developing things now that will 2-3 years from now will be very prominent in our everyday use and society with Web3 and all the technology that's coming. So Hedera HBAR, let me know in the comments below how you guys feel about this project. Drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and you guys always have a great day.